Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to learn Chapter 8 Carts and Wheels. Look at this picture. This is a cart. This is a wheel. इस wheel का shape क्या है? Wheel का shape circle है. The shape of the wheel is circle. You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. Round bangle. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? Yes. Guess which of these bangle is of your size? The smallest one. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your madam or mother wear this bangle? No. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? बैंगल से हम सर्कल बन सकता है. और कौन सी चीजें हैं जिनसे सर्कल बन सकते हैं? कॉइन, बॉटल कैप, पेन कैप, प्लेट. Which thing makes the smallest circle? Pen cap. Which thing makes the bigger circle? Plate. Games with circles. Game 1. Game 2. Do you play these games? Yes. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? Because circle has no corners. Hence all children get equal chance. Think of some other games you play by making circles. Musical chair, passing a parcel. Making a circle. Naina, Chippu and Archana want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Archana tries to draw a circle with a stick. Chippu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. Archana: okay, why don't both of you try? Chippu and Naina both make circles on the ground. Is any of these a good drawing of a circle? No. Can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk? Yes. Making a circle with a rope. Archana decided to use nails and a thread to make a circle on the ground. अर्चना ने किल्ली और दोरी से सर्कल बनाया. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. Does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Yes. Can you say why? Because longer rope acts as a bigger radius. What is the radius? The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. सर्कल के सेंटर से किसी भी पॉइंट की दूरी को रेडियस कहते हैं. Draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. Draw the radius of these circles. Guess which circle has the longer radius? 2 cm. Measure the radius of both the circle using a ruler. Write the length of their radius. Radius of the green circle 1 centimeter. The radius of the blue circle 1.5 centimeter. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape. Are all the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart of the same radius? Yes. Have you seen a tractor or road roller? Yes. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? Merry-go-round. Are all wheels of a tractor or road roller of the same radius? No. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? Kali. Using a compass. Have you seen a compass before? How will you use this to make a circle? This is the compass. Open your compass. Press the tip of the compass on the paper. Hold the compass from the top. Without moving the tip, try to move the pencil around. Do you get a circle? Look for a mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. This mark is the center of your circle. Is it a circle? Naina was making a circle. Devi asked her for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle. But she got this. Why did Naina get such a drawing? Discuss. Can a circle have more than one center? No, a circle cannot have more than one center. Another day, Naina was using a compass to make a circle, but it came out like this. Oh, the screw of the compass is loose. Let me tighten it. Now my compass will not slip. Find the center. Sadiq and Samina want to make circle for themselves. I will make it with a compass. No, I will trace it with a bangle. Then they cut their circle. See, my circle has a center, but where is the center of your circle? Don't worry, see how I find it. She folded her circle into half. Then she folded it again like this. She opened the folded circle. Can you see the two creased lines crossing each other? Yes. See, I put a point where these lines cross. This is the center of my circle. Spin the top. Sakir, Appu, Naina and Guddu were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. Suddenly, Appu said, "Let's each make a top." They took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which looked like this. Sakir, Appu, Naina, Guddu. Whose top will not spin at all? Sakirs and Nainas. Whose top will spin a little? Guddus. Whose top will spin in the bust? Appus. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? Appus. You also make your own top and play this game. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? We will make the hole at its center to spin in the top well. Thank you.